Welcome guys. Today we are going to check whether the number is palindrome or not. This is the basic question that comes in most of the placement drive questions. This program is basically in Java. So if the number is palindrome, it will print the R if part. If not, then else part. So let's do what happening in the program. So because it's a Java program, so its first basic necessary thing is to create the class. So here we are creating our class, that is with the public access specifier, and its class name is palindrome. Then we are using our main function, main method, that is public static void main string array, args, which is called be as a string object type of array. Then we are declaring our four variables. First one is int number, and here I am declaring the number that is 1 to 1. I'm choosing that number here 1 to 1 because if original number remains 1 to 1, when we reverse it, it comes as 1 to 1. Okay. Afterwards, the next variable is reverse integer. I'm initializing it with the 0. It's really necessary. If you don't do this, this can be show you error, right? Then we are using next variable, that is remainder. It remains not need to be initialized. Then original integer, this need to be initialized. And here I'm initializing in the next line. There is a original integer equal to num, whatever the number that is, like after reversing it, whatever the number come, that store in the original integer. First one, my original integer is 1 to 1, so that means num, that is 1 to 1, that store in the original integer. Then the loop is checked. While loop is checked, that num is not equal to 0, then the condition is gone check, and the first is remainder. And here in the remainder section, that's our remainder section. A remainder section's modulus is done with the number. So in num, the value is 1 to 1. Then we did its modulus with the 10, and that number gonna be stored in the remainder section. Whatever the remainder comes by doing the modulus part, it gonna be stored in the remainder section. Then afterwards, there is a reverse integer. We take up another variable that we declare above, that is reverse integer equal to reverse integer, whatever the number comes after reversing, that is, like here the number comes 1 to 1, that is gone multiply with the 10, and whatever the remainder comes, it just adding in the remainder, because whatever the modulus come, it store in the remainder. So here that modulus gonna be plus with the help of a variable remainder. Then whatever the number, that can't be divided with the 10. So these three lines are very important in the palindrome section, so we wear that. Then the while loop is closed. Then our if is going to be check the condition. If original number like 1 to 1 equal to reverse integer, whatever the number come after reversing, if it is equal, then it going to be print system.out println the original integer is a palindrome. Here the plus sign is for concatenation. If it is not, then it show you that it is not palindrome. But here in our program, the number is palindrome because after reversing it comes 1 to 1. Okay, so that's it with the video. Thanks guys.